Hey, what's up guys, Rado here with Dirt and Iron. Today finally we are going to work on our project RMZ 450, which I haven't touched for quite some time. So in this video we are going to work on our linkage. I have a kit from Factory Links with everything we need to rebuild the linkage. Then we will grease it and have it ready to install. So stick around guys. Linkage on the dirt bike is something that it's good to check like once in a season. I would say every year it's good if you can open it, re-grease it and see how everything looks. But since the RMZ 450 is the bike I'm kind of rebuilding completely, I want to put new bearings into this linkage because I neglected it a little bit, and instead of just re-greasing it, I would go ahead and use this brand new kit from Factory Links. And I'm really confident in this product because this company is going to be OEM on all the Sherco bikes. So all their linkages on Sherco bikes will be Factory Links starting from 2020. So it's a really good product. So today we're gonna use my new addition to the garage. Here is this old school vise I got from my friend. He bought it off some kind of garage sale for like $5. And this is some heavy duty thing. It's a really good addition to my garage. So we're gonna use that. We're gonna use some sockets to press everything out, and yeah, it should be fun. Alright, so here we got these middle pieces on the sides. These are the seals, and each bearing has a washer on the side. Take this out. I believe this kit comes with everything new, so we're gonna replace everything. All the washers out. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna get the socket that is exactly the same size. Now this one would work. And we're gonna press it out using the vise. So, this one is out. And we need to do the same here and here. You can see here, bearing is coming out. You can see the detail. I'm pushing it through with a socket, and I put this guy on the end here. The bearing can come nicely out. Alright, that's it. Now the second bearing is right here. And so is the socket. Alright, one more to go. Good, so let's look at Factory Links kit, what everything is inside. We got sticker. Alright, so we got seals, nicely packed individually. There you go. All our seals. Then we got these rings that goes at the end. These are the pieces that goes in the middle. 1, 2, 3, and 4. More of these. And here all the bearings. And they come with these little inserts so you don't lose the needles. To install the bearing back in, I will be using this big socket that has a flat face here and sits inside like that. And that way, you know, I make sure that I have a nice flat area pushing or pressing this bearing inside in the linkage. Alright, so this one is in. Alright, so we got all the bearings in, both sides. Cool. We're gonna grease the bearings after we remove these little things and then put the inserts in, so that way, you know, we're not gonna lose needle bearings, everything will be ready for installation. Alright guys, so it looks like my linkage is done, all nicely packed, and you know, everything is here, new seals, new bearings, we're ready to go. I still need to work on this dog bone thing, and this one is a little more tricky because you cannot push the bearings through like we did with this part right here. You have to take them out from the side, and usually people will just cut it out, and you know what, I don't want to go through all that headache. They still look in pretty good condition, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean them real nice, pack them newly, and then use my new inserts, new seals, and just put it back together all like that. And that should be really good, that should be sufficient, and I should be, you know, ready. I should be able to put way more hours on this thing. It should be feeling really good. And right after this video, I'm gonna work on the swing arm, and that after swing arm, I think we're pretty much ready to go. You see that frame is waiting, the engine is waiting, I'm waiting, and I'm pretty sure you guys are waiting too to start putting this RMZ 450 finally back together. Alright my friend, that's about it for today, and don't forget, whatever you do, stay motivated. See you guys later.